Yes, get ready for the legal dictation containing 550 words at the speed of 110 words per minute. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, start. The plea was dismissed on Wednesday that seeks in the change of the country's name to Bharat or Hindustan but not India, and the petitioner approached the government with the demand of the same. The three-judge bench was led by CJI S.A. Bobde, who sought to know from the petitioner Namah, the resident of Delhi, and why he moved to the court when the name of India is Bharat already in the constitution. The lawyer Ashwin Vash represented the petitioner and argued with the term India, which was derived from the Persian origin and the foreign word. The Constituent Assembly was pointed out by the CJI and debate was shown at length before the call was taken on the inserting of India as Bharat in the Constitution. The court dismissed the plea and asked the petitioner to submit his petition and was represented to the Home and the Parliamentary Affairs of the Ministries. In this plea, the petitioner Namah has sought enforcement of the fundamental rights under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution, which states that every person or citizen has equal right to call his or her own country as Bharat. The Union government was contended by him and has failed to do with the symbol of slavery by using the name India instead of using Bharat or Hindustan. Many pleas were also pointed out by him in which the same has sought with the government's inaction and to do so with the justification of his reason and reaction to approach the apex court, which was reported by the state. The name of India is from foreign origin as according to the petitioner. The Greek language Indica was traced back by the name of our country India. On the other hand, the name Bharat is closely associated with the freedom struggle and the cry Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Changing the name will make sure that the citizens will get over the colonial past. The court amends Article 1 of the Indian Constitution regarding the case which was submitted by the petitioner. The petition demands to strike off India from the article. Article 1 of the Indian Constitution states that India, which is named as Bharat, shall be the union of states. The territory of India consists of the state territories, the territories of union, and any other territories that could be acquired. In dignity and rights, all human beings were born free and equal. They should act towards one another in the spirit of brotherhood with endowed reason and conscience. India as a republic described as the union but not the federation. The draft constitution prepared by the constitutional advisor in choosing the word union instead of taking the word federation in preference, the makers of the constitution has some purpose. The word union is the better expression as a viewer with the fact that the union of India was not the outcome among the existing states as an agreement, and therefore this was not open to any such kind of state or the group of states from the union to vary the states' boundaries on their own free will. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, as the drafting committee member, said this stop, over.